So I want to talk about something called the immune system. Okay, this is going to be immunology textbook sort of condensed for you quickly for the new people to understand why you should start investing in Nutrilite. Today during COVID, people's grocery budget is longer, and that is not necessarily in your favor. So get to know about this line called Nutrilite, which is a 80 plus year old company, which is the oldest and the oldest company to make multivitamins and the first company to come up with this, the organic supplements. So I want to talk to you about how your immune system operates. This will not be super technical. It will be easy for you to understand. So think about it this way. The point of entry for anything is your nose or mouth, right? So what happens when, like a virus, let's take in this case, like a COVID virus as an example. When something enters, your system reads it as a friend, an enemy, or it cannot recognize it, right? If it's a friend, it's straightforward, it's let in, like food. If it's an enemy and it meets something called as WBCs, which is white blood cells, most people understand what that is. That's your first line of defense, right? The moment it sees an enemy, it is going to attack it and finish it. But what happens is if there is something that enters your system and your system does not recognize it, it doesn't know if it's a friend or an enemy. So it calls, so see these things, WBCs, they are like the soldiers on the border of any country. They are your first line of defense, right? And if the WBC cannot understand, is this a friend or an enemy, it goes and seeks help from this thing called T helper cells or B cells. It says, hey, listen, I don't know if this is a friend or an enemy. Can you tell me whether we should really let this in? T helper cells, they are smart. They say, oh no, this is something, you let the wrong guy in. So they release something called as cytokines, okay? It is a protein that is supposed to kind of destroy the enemy. So if you think about it, this is when you develop like a little sore throat or a low grade fever, which means you know you're fighting something, right? So this is what is going on inside your body. So what happens once the cytokines are released and the enemy is killed? These T suppressor cells come into the picture and they tell the helper cells and the WBCs, the show is over, the game is over, the enemy is dead, let's stop shooting, right? So this is how it is supposed to work. It's a whole cascade of, it's a whole ecosystem where they all talk to each other and then the enemy is finished, right? But what happens mostly during COVID, you might have heard of this thing called the cytokine storm, which means the suppressor cell doesn't show up on the scene at the right time and say, okay, let's stop shooting. Now imagine this, if you have soldiers at the border of your country, they're shooting the enemy is all gone, but the soldiers don't stop shooting. They turn inward and they start attacking their own kind. So that is what's going on in the body. There is a confusion. So when the suppressor cells don't show up. So this is where a lot of chaos happens. People cannot breathe and there is a respiratory distress. They get on ventilators. It's because of there is something called as a cytokine storm. So where does Nutrilite come into the picture? So I have read a lot about these things. There is 3 things that if you are a new person, you must immediately order and start. Put yourself on a regimen, put your family on this regimen. It's called C, D, and zinc, okay? I'll repeat, C, D, and zinc. So let's look at this. So vitamin D is something that if you think about the soldier analogy, it is going to make your WBCs stronger and it's going to be at the point of entry, take care of the enemy. And look at things like Holy Basil with zinc and CalMag D. We have 2 products which has zinc in it, but Holy Basil with zinc has the right amount. Take 2 tablets a day. So this one will, you know, when you have a fever or a sore throat, it will make it easier for you to go through these symptoms. And vitamin C, vitamin E, the more I speak about vitamin C, I mean, I just can't speak enough about it. Almost nowadays, I call my religion as vitamin C. My nationality is vitamin C. It's almost the scientist that developed this product for Nutrilite. I almost want to kiss his hands. What a brilliant idea. Extended release. Nowhere in the market you get this product like Nutrilite makes it. Absolutely brilliant technology for letting vitamin C release for 8 hours in your body. It is magic for T suppressor cells. It will send the right cells to the scene to do the right thing. And lastly, cleanup or antioxidants. What is that? C, E, all these are antioxidants. So think about this. The war is over, the enemy is dead, some of your own people are dead, dead bodies everywhere. Cleanup has to happen, right? And people have to get back on the border. So how does that happen? Antioxidants clean up the scene and revive your system so that if there is another thing attacking, you're ready, right? You're not caught off guard. So this is how it operates, guys. And you can see C, D, and zinc, they play a very important role in all these things. The virus needs a host, which means what? The virus doesn't multiply in the corner of Bedford Street and Lexington Avenue, right? Just on by itself. It needs a host. It needs you. It needs you to latch onto and multiply. Where would you stop the virus? Where would you rather stop this unwanted guest? If it were to me, I want to stop it at the door. How do you stop it at the door? Have enough vitamin D in your system. If you want the virus to stop replicating in your system, again, vitamin D is your answer, okay? What am I talking about? Corrupt cell here. Coronavirus pictures are everywhere. So you're familiar with this thing called the spike protein, which sits on the coronavirus. So that protein, when it has to latch on to your cell, it needs a place to latch on. And there are certain cells in your system, they're called corrupt cells. They offer this latching mechanism to the virus, right? So zinc, it will mark these corrupt cells and tell the WBCs to go after that cell. So it will not let the corrupt cells survive in your system. If you're having a lot of symptoms like low-grade fever, all these things I've listed here, curcumin, holy basil, ashwagandha, this is all, they all help you to lower the symptoms. And you see this drug called infliximab. I worked on this drug early on. It's very expensive, $5,000-6,000. It cuts the inflammation. It does the same thing what is done by curcumin and basil, which has got no side effects. And infliximab has a lot of side effects. Post-COVID, once somebody has, do you know people who have gone through COVID? They get iron deficiency. Talk to them about a supplement we have for iron. It's called a Tri-Iron Folate. That's a great supplement to recommend somebody who's post-COVID, okay? Again, vitamin C, it's like you should bleed vitamin C. Vitamin C should be in your system all the time. That's your biggest protection against COVID. So again, washing hands, masks, social distancing, all the common sense things, continue it. I'm not saying vitamins are a replacement for everything that we have known. Continue to do all that, continue to wash your hands, take your precautions. Melatonin, there is so much research. I'm so excited that Nutrilite came up with this product called Sweet Dreams, N by Nutrilite. Melatonin is known to, even in breast cancer, anti-anxiety. So look into this supplement. So on a whole, if you look at this, minimum C, D, and zinc, but you can add some things like melatonin and perfect